Listen closely. Right now, thousands of people are visiting your website. They're interested. They're actively looking for a solution like yours. But here's the problem. You don't know who they are. They leave. You lose them. Traffic ID changes that. It turns anonymous visitors into real leads, giving you their names, emails, company details. And guess what? I've already set up a free trial for you. Get your free 7-day trial, link in description. You're spending money on ads, SEO, email campaigns, and social media, and 98% of your website visitors still leave without giving you their contact info. 98%! That's money down the drain. Because without contact info, what can you do? Nothing. You can hope they come back. You can pray they remember you. Or, you can use Traffic ID. Traffic ID grabs their details before they leave, without opt-in forms, without begging, without chasing. You get instant access to real leads ready to close. And the best part? You can try it for free right now. Links in the description. Traffic ID reveals the people behind your traffic. No more mystery visitors. Every click equals a real lead with full contact details. People hate pop-ups. Traffic ID grabs their info automatically. As soon as a hot lead hits your site, boom, you get an instant alert. Traffic ID's filters show who's serious, who's visited multiple times. Stop sending generic messages. Traffic ID gives you full business profiles. Know exactly who to retarget on Facebook and Google. See how visitors navigate your site, which pages they check, how long they stay. Whether it's ads, SEO, email, or content marketing, Traffic ID supercharges your results. Know who's actually engaging and focus your budget on people who are already interested. Traffic ID gives you the data, real names, real companies, real behavior. If you don't click the link right now, you're choosing to stay blind to the people visiting your site. This free trial is limited. If you don't lock in your spot now, you'll be stuck guessing who your customers are. Click the link. Get your trial. Or keep wasting money on marketing that doesn't convert. Your move.